Okay then, Viraf Patel.
Yes, Saloni Khanna Patel.
Let's talk about this.
Let's talk about this. Yes. Let's talk
We
about
never
this.
decide what we have to talk about and suddenly topic आ जाता है. Why do you think?
इतना कलेश है तुम्हारे
No,
दिमाग
you.
इस पे बात करेंगे आज ना हम इस पे
एक तो मैंने तेरे लिए नाम चेंज किया, ऊपर से तू मेरा नाम भी याद नहीं रखता है. Guys, he introduced me to a working colleague as Sonali.
Sonali.
He said, "Meet my wife, Sonali." I know I look like a Sonali, but I'm not. चल,
हो गया,
forgot it.
बोल
ठीक
दिया
है, सलोनी
तुमने।
का सोनाली हो गया.
बोल दिया
मैं पटेल हुई और तू मुझे बोल रहा है
स्टेप बाय
सलोनी
स्टेप
बोलना.
जाते हैं स्टेप बाय स्टेप जाते
अच्छा ठीक है, स्टेप बाय
तुम्हारे माँ बाप भी तुम्हें कभी कभी सोनाली बुलाते हैं
उनका राइट है, उन्होंने मुझे जन्म दिया है.
हैं?
कोई सेंस है इस बात की?
तो मैंने तुम्हें अपनाया है मेरा भी राइट है
तुमने मुझे अपनाया है.
अपनाया है
ओ
तुम्हें
थैंक्स.
अपना बनाया है
तुमने मुझे नहीं अपनाया होता तो मेरा क्या होता.
वही तो मैंने तुम्हें एक
अच्छा.
माँ बनने का मौका दिया है
मेरी ग्रजेस एक तरफ.
हाँ.
एक्चुअल क्वेश्चन ये है कि ये जो सरनेम का चेंजिंग का पूरा फंडा है ना, आजकल वैसे भी लोग नहीं कर रहे, लड़कियां मोस्टली नहीं कर रही, बट तुम्हें लगता है कि करना चाहिए? इज इट समथिंग दैट शुड बी प्रैक्टिस्ड एंड इफ यू थिंक यस देन व्हाई?
I think it's to each his own. That's the nicest and the healthiest response one can come. जो तुम्हें ठीक लगता है तुम करो यार. तुम्हें लगता है कि अगर मेरे हस्बैंड का नाम लेने से उससे अच्छा लगेगा, उसके फैमिली को अच्छा लगेगा और तुम्हें वो करने में एतराज नहीं है तो प्लीज करो. और तुम्हें लगता है कि नहीं, अगर मेरी आइडेंटिटी डिसॉल्व हो रही है और मुझे वो बरकरार रखना है, मेरे फैमिली का नेम आगे बढ़ना चाहिए मेरे साथ वगैरह वगैरह, वो आप वो बरकरार रखिए. whatever makes you feel that you need this at this point in life. Simple. कोई कॉम्प्लिकेशन है ही नहीं.
आई थिंक कि
तुमने क्यों सरनेम चेंज किया?
फर्स्टली मेरे को कभी ये नहीं समझ में आया कि लड़की को भी क्यों नाम चेंज करना है. दिस होल कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ द गर्ल हैज टू लीव हर हाउस एंड गो एंड लिव विद समबडी एल्स, आई थिंक इज नाउ आउटडेटेड एंड इन
It's not unfair. It's unfair for us to say
I am
outdated.
saying what I feel now. Let me say what I'm feeling.
So I am also saying that what you are feeling is outdated. But because I think we should be a little better informed about this. That in our culture, there is a certain reason why the girl had to change her name when she went into another household.
That is the first name, and that is a different concept. I am talking.
That is also involved in this conversation.
Exactly.
A lot of girls have a problem with that. मैं मेरा नाम क्यों बदलूं या मेरा सरनेम क्यों बदलूं? ये इस सबसे एक सोशल प्रैक्टिस है कि भाई तुम अपने हस्बैंड का सरनेम ले लो. That's a socially accepted practice for legal paperwork and all of that. There's a cultural practice where a lot of Hindu communities, sub-communities, they make the girl change her name when she marries and comes into their house. So Sonali may become Rekha once she marries and goes.
But Sonali has to be Sonali to become Rekha. She can't be a Saloni and become Rekha.
तुम अपना बताओ, तुमने नाम चेंज करने से पहले तुमने मेरे साथ एक कॉन्वर्सेशन किया.
सबसे मैं यही बोलने वाली थी कि सबसे अच्छी बात तुम्हारी जो थी वो ये थी that it was never, you never made it compulsory. You didn't say कि यार तुझे करना ही पड़ेगा. You said, listen, I will really like it if you take my name, if you take my surname. You never said that I have to remove my surname to take your name. I could have been a Saloni Khanna Patel. That was not a problem for you or anything like that. You said, you know, I would really like it, but of course you do you, right? Which is, then I did what I wanted to do. I went to a numerologist, guys, and I asked the numerologist, I want to keep Khanna Patel and I want to honor what my husband wants also, and I want to also keep my surname. But in numerology, that was not an option. With Khanna, it was coming Saloni, and I'm already too loony to have that kind of a name. And with this, it was coming Saloni with the E Patel. So then I chose Patel and I became Unni Patel. But a lot of people do not have that option. I feel that is unfair in today's day and age when the girl is already leaving behind so much. Her home, maybe her city, her family. Then you ask her to also leave her name behind. Let it be her choice. I'm not saying it should be done or it shouldn't be done, but it should be a choice that the woman should get to decide. And it's okay if she says, I don't want to change my name, yaar. I've lived with my name. Imagine somebody now today tells you, you become Viraf Khanna. It's a little...
It's I mean, everything cannot be seen equally.
I'm not trying to make it
equal. There's a
equal.
deeper shift in identity that a woman goes through.
I'm not trying to make it equal. I'm not saying that...
This is just beyond the name as well. So again, whatever feels right to that household,
Yeah.
that person over there,
But
वो
I
सही
think
होना
the
चाहिए.
deciding factor should be the person. Like I decided that yes, I want to keep Patel. It was a choice, and I like my identity. Now
Yeah.
it wasn't forced. I think it should be that.
Or you
Instead
just another smart thing you all can do is just hire the numerologist before your wife goes to them, so that he can advise what I wanted her to do.
इतनी भी बड़ी पहचान नहीं है तो पहुंच नहीं इतनी भी बड़ी ये था Couple of Talks का एपिसोड whatever and yeah so this is what
बेसिकली
I wanted
अपने
to say.
वाइफ के न्यूमरोलॉजिस्ट
And
को
girls,
रिश्वत
I
दे
know,
देना
I also
और
want to
आपको
say-
जो चाहे रिजल्ट मिल जाएगा.
I also want to say कि girls don't be so close to the idea. Oh my God, I'm never going to change my identity. I just want to keep myself. You sometimes have to do what your partner also will like and will admire and will be comfortable with. But do it only when you are on the same page with him. Don't do it just for him. But don't be so close to the idea. Also, it's not that bad. It's not like oh my God, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. And I'm now going to contradict myself only. लेकिन identity सिर्फ नाम से नहीं आती, और भी चीजों से आती है. So be open to the idea.
ये किसने कहा था?
तूने तो नहीं, अब हर चीज का क्रेडिट ले. I'm not. This is for another.
It's on camera.
हर चीज
Thank
का
God
credit
it's on camera.
लेता हुआ ये husband. This is for another episode.
तुम आज इतना फंबल क्यों कर रही हो?
Okay, bye.